Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Toyota Sequoia. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, everything looks fine there. Let's have a look at the hood of the SUV. Alright, I'm not seeing a scratch on the hood at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Perfect. I do not see a scratch on this fender at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door are perfect. I'm not seeing a scratch on either door. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches or dents at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. Okay, the trunk has no scratches at all or no dents. And also the back bumper looks good as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good. There are no scratches here at all. I'm not seeing any dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Moving on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Everything is fine with both doors. And now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. No scratches at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear on this door panel at all. The window switches look fine. Everything is fine with the leather. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. The leather looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear on the window switch. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. Over here looks fine as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear at all in here. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, everything looks fine. There's no wear and tear here at all. Let's have a look at the leather and stitching. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.